Welcome! If you've ever been tagged in posts on Facebook that suddenly show up on your page without you wanting them there, this quick update will help you take back control. Facebook has slightly changed where some settings live, but don't worry, it's still very simple once you know where to look. First, open Facebook on your PC using your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust these settings. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Once it expands, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage your account and privacy options. On the left-hand side, scroll a bit until you find Page and Tagging, then click on it. This section is where Facebook lets you control how tags and posts interact with your profile or page. Next, find the option that says, Who can see posts that you're tagged in on your page? This is the key setting that determines whether others can see tagged content appearing on your page. Click on that option and you'll see a list of audience choices. To fully prevent others from seeing those tagged posts on your page, select Only Me. This means that even if someone tags you, the post won't be visible to anyone else on your page. Finally, click Save to apply the change, and that's it. With this setting turned on, you get full control over your page's appearance and avoid unwanted tagged content showing up publicly. It's a small adjustment, but it makes a big difference in keeping your profile clean and exactly how I want it.